Welcome everyone back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed or is the first time you're coming on to the channel, please subscribe, hit that notification button and stay tuned. Today's video, I'm going to make a lovely tropical juice. You can call it smoothie or drink or juice. Here I have some mint, banana, bit of ginger, watermelon, pineapple, good old lemon. So I'll start by gonna add the pineapple in, melon. I'm gonna squeeze some lemon in, banana, bit of mint, mango, the ginger, just gonna give it a bit of chop. So I'm going to add some water in. It's probably give me about 2 glasses. Put the lid on. Start blending. What I'm going to do, I'm going to strain it off because I don't really like bits in my juice. This is very healthy, full of vitamin and mineral. Good drink to drink in the morning or midday. Wouldn't recommend it in the night because I think this will give you a bit too much energy. Unless you're doing some night shift. You don't have to strain it, but I like it nice and smooth. Juice is ready now. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. Cheers to you all. Wow, very nice, very nice.